everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell before going into the details. We will grow XRP, please support by subscribing and turning on the notification bell. We are a strong community. XRP price demonstrates bullish behavior. Here's what else chart hides today. The XRP price broke out of a 5-day accumulation that formed a classic technical analysis pattern, the bullish triangle. The exit from the accumulation went up as it should in this technical analysis pattern, which was then overshadowed by the negative news of the FTX hack. The important thing is that on the low timeframe the price of XRP perfectly worked out the figure, which opens the possibility of repeating history, but on a larger scale. Thus, if we look at the monthly XRP price chart above, we can see that a similar pattern is forming there. It begins with an all-time high of $3,317 for XRP on the first day of 2018. That said, a similar accumulation in the bullish triangle was also traceable from 2013 to 2017. The result of the exit was a rise of 4,430% in 3 months. Do not get too excited about these XRP price figures if current developments according to technical analysis are correct. Then in October 2024 the price of XRP should come out of accumulation and reach the $30 mark on momentum. Nevertheless, fortunately or unfortunately, technical analysis without reference to fundamentals cannot be considered. The fact that XRP was not under similar regulatory pressure before, and the crypto market itself was wilder and less institutionalized, should not be overlooked. XRP is a beacon of light in the crypto winter and could be proven an outlier next week. Ripple, XRP, price is seeing bulls sticking to their guns after adventurous bulls came in and bought the dip near the low of the current low of November last week. Although XRP recovered a bit at the beginning of this week, as more headlines came out on the aftermath of FTX, the Polish missile impact was the key trigger that flipped price action to the downside and bruised the bullish recovery sentiment. Expect to see some lackluster move into the weekend, with price action contained either way by a firm cap and floor. XRP could go either way, depending if the market makes up its mind. Ripple price is holding its gains for the week in a very challenging week where quite a lot of bearish sparks were going against the attempt of bulls to recover at least a chunk of the incurred losses from last week. Unfortunately, bulls could not push price action above that 200-day simple moving average at $0.3973 and saw it being respected as a cap. To the downside, bulls were keen to get in even a few cents before the bounce off the red descending trend line at $0.3212. XRP, thus, is one of the more bullish outliers in the cryptocurrency space as several other cryptocurrencies and alt-currencies are bleeding heavily. The bruised confidence makes it ideal for traders to cherry-pick the ones holding the best cards. XRP could be seen as the best crop pick, with massive cash allocated toward it, due for a break above the 200-day SMA and a target of $0.4974 to the upside by the end of next week. Risk to the downside is being held by the technical rejection on the top side against that 200-day SMA, as it could trigger another leg lower in the coming week. That would go hand in hand with markets being rattled again by some geopolitical triggers. As Russia remains bombing Ukrainian energy installations and gas supplies, it is not unthinkable that more rockets land in Poland as collateral damage from Ukraine's defenses. The question will be when NATO perceives this as enough and calls on any chapters that would activate military retaliation. That would be a big bearish trigger and push XRP to the downside. First up would be a push against the red descending trend line near $0.3000. Once XRP enters that area again, expect a test at $0.2875 before now lows for November will be printed. Certainly, that $0.2500 looks to be a good candidate to catch our trigger a bounce off. Ripple lawsuit. SEC supporter fails to file amicus brief. Here's why. In the ongoing lawsuit, SEC supporter Accreditify, now known as Invest Ready, has failed to submit its formal amicus brief by the stipulated deadline. Attorney Jeremy Hogan pointed this out while sharing an update from James K. Phelan on the amicus briefs submitted so far. On Ripple's side, 14 formal amicus briefs were submitted by different entities such as the Chamber of Digital Commerce, TapJets, iRemit and others. A day before the deadline for requests to file amicus briefs would elapse, Accreditify, a firm that helps verify investors' eligibility for online equity investments, sought the court's permission to file an amicus brief in support of the SEC's motion for summary judgment. In its proposed brief, InvestReady stated that the arguments that have been put forward by Ripple are a house of cards that is falling faster than Luna's price. InvestReady also claimed that the XRP cryptocurrency was a security since it was pushed by a centralized entity. However, InvestReady, Accredify, was unable to file its formal brief because it did not meet the November 18 deadline, leaving the SEC with only one amicus brief in support. Ahead of the November 18 deadline, the New Sports Economy Institute formally filed its amicus brief in support of the SEC, asserting that the Howey test remains the gold standard. Summary judgment reply briefs expected as reported by You Today. The parties are expected to file their sealed reply briefs by November 30, and the page limit for the reply briefs was set at 55 pages, in which responses to amicus briefs are contained. By this time, all briefings are expected to be completed, and Judge Torres' final decision will be awaited. Bulls work to trigger XRP price rally. Can Ripple's token reclaim 40 cents soon? XRP bulls appear to have regained momentum with Ripple's native token targeting new price levels despite the market uncertainty. Notably, at the start of the week, XRP bears seem to have the upper hand with the asset reacting to the fallout of the FTX cryptocurrency exchange crisis. As things stand, XRP is trading at 38 cents, gaining by almost 10% in the past week despite no positive development in the Securities Exchange Commission (SEC) case. XRP regains bullish momentum. Although Ripple had sustained a rally in previous weeks, the asset's latest gain can be attributed to comments by Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse. According to Garlinghouse, Ripple might express interest in companies owned by FTX that serve business customers. This is after the executive revealed that FTX former CEO Sam Bankman-Fried reached out 2 days before the company filed for bankruptcy seeking for a rescue plan. Besides the Garlinghouse comments, XRP's bullish momentum has emerged from the positive development in the SEC case. For instance, the token rallied about 10% after the presiding judge approved amicus briefs in support of Ripple. XRP price analysis suggests a bullish trendline for the 7th-ranked cryptocurrency by market cap. Notably, the bulls have invalidated the bearish trend that emerged partly due to the FTX exchange crisis. At the current price, XRP has broken past the 38 cents resistance level. To target 40 cents, XRP needs to hold onto the 38 cents level. Furthermore, moving past the crucial 39 cents position would signal a breakout session for the asset. If the bulls sustain the gains at 40 cents, the level will form a new resistance position as XRP sets eyes on 45 cents. On the flip side, if XRP fails to hold onto gains at 38 cents, the token might find support at 35 cents. With XRP targeting 40 cents, the level aligns with the token's community projection. As reported by Finbold, the XRP community on CoinMarketCap projected the token will trade at 40 cents by December 31, 2022. XRP technical analysis. Furthermore, XRP technical analysis remains bearish, with a summary recommending selling at 15 while moving averages are for a strong sell at 13. Oscillators are also for sell at 2. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.